Good PM. Today is November 16, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 3 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, November 16, 2023. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for November 16, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Thursday, November 16, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.